I had a question the other day about one of these things. Now, this is a timer. It was used kind of commonly between ignition controls and integrated furnace controls when we had a lot of separate components and we were getting away from heat-operated fan switches. That's what this is an electronic control to turn the fan on after the burner starts and shut the fan off after the burner shuts off. And it's a timer. That's all it is. It's just a timer. It has an on delay and an off delay. We could set from 30 seconds to 60 seconds in the on delay. That's going to determine whether the temperature coming out of the ducts when the air first comes out is warm or cool. If you set it too low, the duct temperature is going to be a little cool when it starts up. I would generally set this thing where the dot is. There's kind of a line here and then there's a dot over there. And that's where I'd set it to start, somewhere between 30 and 45 seconds. If that works, fine. If you're getting cold air, then you're going to want that delay a little bit longer. And that's all it is in the on delay. The off delay, what the off delay is doing is after the burner's shut off, the fan continues to operate to clear the heat out of the heat exchanger. It also has a dot there, which is probably at about 3 minutes. Here again, what you're trying to do is keep the duct temperature warm. If you set this delay at say 120 seconds, I think it looks like the dot is about 160 or 180 seconds. You can put it to the dot to start with. That's what most of them are set at. But if it shuts off at 120, you may be leaving an awful lot of heat in the ductwork. And if you put it to 240 and it gets to where it blows cold air before it shuts off, that's objectionable to a lot of people. Started out with it at the dots on those, and if you're blowing cold air after the burner shuts off, then you drop it down a little bit. And if you still got plenty of warm air, be sure to clear all that heat out of the ductwork. It's a little more efficient, so you run it longer. That's about it. Nothing special on those things. That's it on this one.